Welcome guys, this is KOK Gift Baskets and More, bringing to you some Valentine's Day concepts I just completed. So guys, the first concept I want to share with you is my little gummy bear concept, and I have the sparkling berries, lotion and body scrub. I also have a heart-shaped sequin keychain, a metallic rose, and I made a backer for the back of each one of these boxes. It adds a little bit more dimension to the items. And on the top, I have the beautiful pull bow. Okay, so I have one there. Okay, this is a yellow one. Same concept, same items. These little two-piece sets came from Five Below, and they were the hand creams by themselves, and the bath petals and body scrubs and body wash were in a container by themselves as well. And what you do is just, if you want to, make a pair, just get the two sets and then, take them out and pair them together. So that was really, really good concept to do for these. And this is the back. And I just love these beautiful pull bows. I got the idea to get these from Rachel with Daddy's Treasure Chest. She featured them, it was last year sometime. And I thought they were absolutely adorable. And so I had some. I got two different colors. This is the more darker tones here. So this is my red concept. With this one, I used the strawberry keychain. Instead of the sequin heart, I used the strawberry to go with that red. This is a different color tone here, more light pastels. And in each one, I kind of just went with the same concept. Just lined the boxes up and got them all done. Some have different color metallic roses in, some different color sequin keychains. But they all have a keychain. This is the green, blue, beautiful blue metallic rose there. This is my purple. Where I could follow the color scheme with some of these sets, I did. Some, they just didn't have the colors packaging to match the bear, but that's fine too. Here's another one. Like I said, these bows are just absolutely gorgeous. These tails are much longer than what you see on the packages. I cut those down just so they would fit with the size of this container. Okay, guys, let's get this out the way so I can show you the next little concept I completed. Okay, guys, this concept here is with the little pink plastic containers that I found at Dollar General. I found these about 3 or 4 months ago. They're not on sale, they're $1. And so I said these will be good to use for some Valentine's Day concepts. So they only had 4, I got the 4 they had. In this concept, I used the little bear that I got from Wendy. So I have the little small bear in here. I have some Ferrero Rochers and some hand cream. And what I did was accented the container with the glitter hearts. Okay, and they're just stickers, foam stickers. Okay, you can get them from Dollar Tree, Temu, Shein, Amazon. You can get them pretty much anywhere. This is another container here. In this one, I use the rose soaps, and I have the lotion in here with the pretty bear. So these bears are really nice. They're perfect for this concept. This one has the Ferrero Rochers, the lotion, and the bears. Now, some of the bears were pink with red, white with red, and red with white. They're just different tones. Really, really, really nice. And also on these, I just took some of my really small bows that came with some cello bags. I used those to accent it around the container just to give it a little bit more pizzazz. Okay, and the next thing I want to show, I decided to use some of my old tumblers with these Squishmallow clips, because I had a lot of clips in a lot of these tumblers, and I wanted to go through and clear some inventory out that would be appropriate for Valentine's Day. So in this concept, I just used a Squishmallow clip and a tumbler, and I tried to match the tumblers with the clips. Okay, this one here. And I'm trying to decide if I want to add another piece to the back. And some of my concepts in these wine bags, I have the box of chocolates, the little heart-shaped chocolates. So I'm not sure what I'm going to put in these. I may not put candy in these. So here's another one. I paired this with the green and blue. Because green and blue is in that Squishmallow. Okay, here's one here. This is that yellow and pink. Okay. So I am thinking of what I can add to those. So I'm not ready to, wrap those up yet and put in my completed stack. Those I'm still working on. Okay. I think that's it. No, I forgot. I have some more here. I got so much stuff in here, guys. I'm running out of space. I got so much inventory. Okay, here's another one. This one I used a different color tumbler. Where I could match them with the tumblers, I did. Where I couldn't, I just, did the best I could with the colors. And with these concepts, these are different. I am using the diamond cut tumblers. I'm also using the little bears. And in these concepts, I have the box of chocolates. And I am going to use the beautiful idea that Still Classy came up with, to have the chocolate kind of coming a little bit out the bag and then using the balloon. So I'm going to put my little balloon stick down there and get my candy height adjusted. And these are going to be some really pretty concepts as well. And these little small bears fit this wine bag perfectly. Okay. So I'm almost finished with these wine bag concepts. I still need to decide what I'm going to put in the other bags. These only need the balloons at this point. Okay. They only need the balloons. So this is going to be a really, really nice concept. Thank you, Still Classy, for the idea. This one, I didn't have any more chocolate, and definitely wasn't going to buy anymore. So what I did with this tumbler is added in this 2-piece hand cream set. It almost matches that orange perfectly. And I just put that in the back, filled in that spot really well. And I'll be putting a balloon with this one as well. All right, guys. If you see something that you like, try and get your items and elements ordered as quick as you can, so that you'll be able to complete all of your concepts. Another thing, guys, I was looking through my Valentine boxes, and I found some of these from last year after Valentine's Day sale. This is from Dollar General, the classroom exchange cards with mazes. And I'm going to put these in the containers that I'm going to put the candy in. Some of you guys have already seen my bags that I'm going to be using for my candy. All these little bags came from Amazon. And I really, really like these bags because they have the little see-through portion on the bag. And you can kind of see through and see what treats are in there. And they have like 5 different patterns. So I really, really like these. But I also have some here that are not see-through, but they're just as nice. This says Happy Valentine's Day. They all have the little closures that come with it. Okay, so I decided to do the candy separate in the majority of my concepts, because last year there were a lot of people that did not want any candy at all. And so this is the way I'm going to be able to meet the needs of those clients, and there were a lot of them. So parents are being more conscious now of their kids' dental health, and so that's a good idea. So I'm just going to make up some little candy packs and have that available for those that want. In my large concepts for the adults, I have big boxes of chocolate in those. I'm going to keep those just, the way they are. But for the kids concepts, I am going to be putting the candy on the side. There's some kids concepts that do have these small boxes of chocolate, okay? So there will be some clips. These can be for teenagers or little kids, as well as these little bears. So I'm just going to try to, create them as best I can, and hopefully the majority of my customers will be happy with what I'm able to offer. Okay, so guys, I think that's it for this one. I have a lot of concepts I'm going to be doing today. And another thing too, before I go, those of you that have the roses, get those out of the packets as soon as you can. You want to get them out so they can air out, for one. For two, you want to be able to let your roses expand as much as possible on their own. Classy showed yesterday a little heat gun, and you can get your roses to open up that way as well. But what I do is set mine out and just let them air out, and they'll have plenty of time to air out, because I'm not going to get to these gifts until much later. I'm working on all my big ones right now, and what I've been doing is going back and forth. So right now, today and tomorrow, I'll be working on the large ones, and I'll get to these whenever. I'm going to save these little roses because I have the containers that Still Classy shared last night in her haul. So I have the sleeves and the boxes, the clear boxes. I have both of those. So those are going to be done toward the end of my assembly. And I'm going to be doing the candy at the end. But it's important to have all of your elements readily available, so that when you do have the time to, get into the roses and the candy, however you're going to do it, that you can get everything done. You don't want to not have inventory that you need. Order it at the last minute, because every year there's somebody that didn't get a shipment in time, and they weren't able to complete a concept. And I know if you have to wait to order, you have no choice. But if you can do it early, get it out the way so that you can get your concepts done. I'll be coming back again with more. Try to pace yourself with your designing. Don't get so overwhelmed. Try to keep your designs, I ain't gonna say it's easy, because you want to add a variety, so you can stand out from the competition, but you don't want to get so overwhelmed with a lot of details that you're not enjoying the process of creating. Okay, so take breaks and do what you can to keep yourself in good health while you're designing, and happy doing the process. All right, guys. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.